After creating an evaluation phase, evaluation types also need to be created, with categories and subcategories which are then linked to headings. To create a new evaluation type, click the Evaluation Type submenu under the Administration main menu. Right-click the top node, and select Add New Evaluation Type. Select an evaluation role from the drop-down list. This role is then assigned to the users who will be completing the evaluations. Select the evaluation type, technical, commercial or generic. After adding an evaluation type, it will be highlighted red until both the category and subcategory have been added. Right-click the evaluation type, then select Add New Evaluation Category. Finally, right-click the category, and select Add New Evaluation Subcategory. After adding the subcategory, the tree will change to black, to indicate everything has been added correctly. After the evaluation type has been added, it can be linked to a new or existing evaluation phase. Either select the evaluation type when adding a new phase, or edit the current evaluation phase and the new type will be listed. Finally, the last thing to do is to link the document headings to the new subcategory. Open a document, select a heading, then open the Requirements window. Scroll down to the Evaluation Settings, expand the evaluation type, then Category, and select a subcategory that was created in the Evaluation Type settings. Save the changes. The subcategory will now be linked to the heading. Repeat the process for any other headings that are to be linked to that evaluation type.